Hello everybody. So today we're going to can up some pinto beans. Just, you know, I'm doing the dry method today because I forgot to soak them. I'm being perfectly honest on that because I was going to do the soaked method where you soak them and then you cook them. So we're going to do that video another time because I'm going to soak beans. But today we're just going to do the no soak method. This is Rebel canning. It's not approved. All the other fun jazz. Okay. Also, I know I have this video a whole bunch of times. As you can see, I have 1, 2, and I have a third camera set up. I'm testing with a whole bunch of different things. So please bear with me. Okay? All right. Let's get into washing and prepping the beans and then the canning. Okay? All right. Let's do this. Okay, so as you've seen, we have the beans now all nicely wait, you can see that. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting that this camera has a very wide angle. Okay, so you can see I have all the beans washed and cleaned and sorted and picked through. Yes, I sped that up because who wants to? I didn't even want to be there for that, but here we are. So I'm all set up. I don't have my rings. I had to forget something, but it's okay, I'll grab it in a second. So I've got my, you can't see it. I have my water here with my lids ready to go. Got my debubbler. Got my lid, jars, beans, a clean half cup measurement. Okay, all right, let's go. Okay, now I have all my cameras set up. Let's do this. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to do 3 jars with you. What we are going to do is put half a cup in. If you want, add salt. I don't add salt just because I typically add salt when I'm cooking. And I don't want all that extra salt. And behind me, I already have water boiling, or boiled, sorry. We're going to fill that to 1 inch head space. Okay. We're going to debubble the jars. You need to debubble your jars so in that way you know all of the air is going to escape. I know there's a lot of people that say there's no need to debubble because the canning process will do this for you. Please don't. All right. Now, just gonna set that right there. We're gonna wipe our rim. Should be fairly clean, but you just want to make sure. Okay. Put our lids on. And then be right back. Put our rings on. Whew, that is hot. Okay. Finger tight. If you can handle touching it. That one's hot. Okay, finger tight into the canner, and we'll be back as soon as the canner is full. Okay, so I'm just getting my last 2 jars in here. We have 11 pints in total. Sorry, I couldn't remember the words I wanted. Now what we're going to do, because this is already heating up, always make sure to check your, I know mine's dirty, okay? I'm aware of this. Always make sure to check to make sure that the vent is clean. I can see right through it. What we're gonna do, put it on, lock it down, and wait for it to come up to pressure. Well, not come up to pressure, but we're gonna wait for it to come up to vent. Okay, so we'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, so now we have a very, very, very steady stream of steam coming out. We want to let this vent for 10 minutes doing this. I did turn it down a little bit because it was a little too harsh. But 10 minutes, then we're back. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes. Now, I don't have a regulator anymore. I have the weight. I use the 10 pounds because that's what my altitude asks for. So make sure to check what your altitude needs. Does it need 10 or 15? Oh, there you are. So you just need to check that. So for me, it's 10, and I'm going to let this go for 75 minutes. And I'm just going to wait. I'm not going to set a timer until I hear the jiggle, the gorgeous jiggle that everybody loves. Okay, so we'll be back in 75 minutes because these are pints. Be back. I just thought I'd let you guys hear that beautiful sound. Okay, the 75 minutes it's up. I have let the canner sit until it cooled right down. Oh, there you are. I let the canner sit until it cooled right down, and then I cracked it open, or I took the weight off it, waited 5 minutes, cracked it open, waited 5 minutes. I do that so the jars have a little bit more time to come to, I guess you could say, like room temperature, but more just so they have a little bit longer. Can you see that? The lighting in my kitchen, I'm trying to get it sorted out. Okay, I'll show you guys when we're done. Just look how beautiful. Oh, they're just beautiful. They're nice and full. Oh, my water is nice and clear. Oh, I forgot to put vinegar in my water. Do you guys add vinegar? I do. I have very hard water here, which I find interesting because it's not, I don't even know if it's hard water. There's just, sorry, there's a lot of calcium in the water, like a lot. Hey, can you see that? Oh no, you can't. Hang on. I'll show you when I pick you up and turn you over this way. You'll see it. Okay, look at that. Look at the beautiness. Beautiness? Beautiness. We're going with it. Okay, 1 second. Okay, and here they are. All 11 pints, fresh out of the canner. And can you guys see that? Like, that is just insane to me. I forgot to put vinegar in because I always do, so my jars don't get clean, or so they don't, this doesn't happen to them, but it did. What do we think? And by the looks of it, they all sealed already. I love when that happens, when you pull them out and they're all sealed. But that will happen when you open the canner the way I do it a lot too. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the test run of a new way of filming. If so, let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and we'll be back again pretty soon. Bye.